Hello, and welcome to Meditation for ADD and ADHD. Meditation has been practiced for millennia by people who wanted to learn how to gain control of their minds and of their emotions a little bit better. It's used for things from anxiety to depression, and it can help you with your ADHD as well. In this course, we're going to learn how to apply meditation specifically to ADD, ADHD, to strengthen the brain's ability to focus, to concentrate, and to stay where you want it to stay. And as someone who has struggled with ADHD myself, I understand that it can be difficult to concentrate on long videos. So I'm going to make this specifically for you, specially for you. Short videos, quick talking, straight to the point, convey the information so you can have it and you can use it. We're going to use techniques and practices that you can practice along with me so that you won't get bored. You can watch this on double speed if you want to, like a lot of ADHD people like to do, but I'm going to go pretty fast, so don't worry about that. We're going to cover everything in around an hour. In 1 hour, you can have the techniques that you need to get your ADHD under control. Are you ready? Let's go.